Lucid is one of the fastest growing prop firms out there. And you're probably wondering, Mike, how do I connect Lucid to Tradovate so that I'm able to trade on the NinjaTrader platform? I want to warn you guys, if you miss this one step, you will get this error message when you go to place a trade. Now, recently, Lucid launched a brand new plan called the Lucid Flex account, and they've been seeing rapid growth. So a lot of traders are flocking over to Lucid. Now, one thing that separates Lucid from a lot of other prop firms out there, notice in the Flex eval, there is a one-time payment, which means there is no reoccurring monthly fee. If you've never traded with Lucid, right now you can get a brand new account for 2 uses for 50% off. Everyone else can get the 25 and 50K accounts for 40% off. You guys want to check them out? Use the link in the description box down below. Use promo code Mike at checkout. So now let's assume that you've already went ahead and you've purchased your 50K account and you don't want to get that pesky little message that I showed you guys a few moments ago. One thing to note, this video is essentially going to deal with when we select the platform, anybody that has selected the CQG data, which has the NinjaTrader prop, Tradovate prop, and we could also trade on TradingView. This is going to be very important. If you select the rhythmic data feed, then what I'm about to share with you guys in this video is not going to be relevant to how you're trying to connect your data feed to the NinjaTrader platform. So now let's assume that we've already purchased that account. You then want to go into the back end of your account. Now here you'll see all of your accounts. Now, if you're one of the lucky individuals that purchased 5 accounts like I did myself, you're in luck because right now with Lucid, you can get 1 free reset as long as you use code Mike at checkout. But right up here in the top hand corner of the screen, notice where it says show credentials. If we simply click on where it says show credentials, it'll populate a box. It'll show platforms, username, and the password. Now, this is going to be very, very important. We're going to need this information in 2 different locations. Now, what we're going to want to do with that information is inside of NinjaTrader, you want to go ahead and select the control panel. From there, we want to come right here where it says connections. Now, under connections, I'm already connected to all the current prop firms, but we're going to assume I'm making a brand new connection. So from there, you want to click on the configure tab. And then on the left-hand side, right up here, right here where it says NinjaTrader, just simply double click that. You'll see right up here, it says connection name NinjaTrader. So now from here, I want to go ahead and change where it says connection name, and we can name it Lucid or Lucid Test, something along those lines. I'm going to name this Lucid Test just so I do not forget. Now you can see right down here where it says username. We can simply click right over here on this icon. It'll copy it to our clipboard. I could paste in the username. Then right over here where it says password, click right over there and it'll copy that in as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and put in some random numbers. Make sure it says simulation. And then we want to go ahead and click apply, click OK. And now we've set up the data connection within NinjaTrader. So if we were to come right over here and actually select the Lucid connection, which we just did, which since I did not put in the correct password, I'm just going to select on the normal Lucid account, you would see that this little green dot would show up and we would be connected to the account. But this is where the problem comes in. This is where you're gonna get this pesky little message. Now I'll show you guys what steps need to be taken so we don't encounter this message as we go ahead and try to trade this account. Now the next step, this is gonna be the most critical step. You wanna go right over to Tradovate.com and where it says username, we wanna use that same username that we saw on this screen right here. Go ahead and just put that in there real quick, copy and paste it. Then right over there where it says password, you probably guessed it already, come right over there to password. You want to go ahead and hit copy. Then we come back over to Tradovate and we'll simply paste that in. From that point on, you want to simply log in. Then as soon as we click on login, now this is where it's going to ask us, right? Professional, non-professional. Most people are going to be non-professional. Then click next. Then I'm going to go ahead and click I have read, and I'll go ahead and sign this real quick. Go ahead and put my name in, the date, August 3rd, sign. Now you can download your subscriber agreement. I'm just going to simply hit close. I have no need for that. Now from here, let's just see, is there anything else we have to click on? And I'm going to go ahead and scroll on down and I got to accept cookies. I'm going to click accept right over here. Now it's going to say access simulation. Now, if I want to go and trade inside of Tradovate, I can click right here, access simulation. And now, if you guys like to see why so many traders are actually jumping over and switching over to Lucid, then you want to make sure to watch this next video right here.